What if I told you that eating eggs every morning might not be the best way to build strength after 50? Yes, the food we've always trusted for protein might not be giving seniors the muscle support they truly need. Recent studies reveal that as we age, our body's ability to absorb and use protein from certain sources, like eggs, declines. That means even if you eat your daily omelet, your muscles might still be starving for the nutrients they need. But here's the good news. There are 8 powerful superfoods that outperform eggs, especially for seniors who want stronger muscles, better mobility, and a longer, more energetic life. And these foods are natural, delicious, and backed by research from Japan's longevity hotspots, where people over 90 still walk, garden, and even dance every morning. Stay with me until the end because the last superfood, number 8, is a traditional Japanese food most people have never even heard of, yet it's one of the secrets behind their legendary strength after 80. Before we reveal the foods, let's understand why muscle loss happens in the first place. After age 50, our body naturally enters a stage called sarcopenia, the slow loss of muscle mass. According to the National Institute on Aging, adults can lose up to 3% of muscle strength every year after 50 if they're not eating the right proteins. It's not just about eating protein, it's about absorbing it. Eggs contain protein, yes, but they're missing certain amino acids and antioxidants that help your body use that protein efficiently. That's why seniors in Okinawa, Japan, one of the longest living communities on Earth, rely on a mix of plant-based and marine proteins that are easier to digest and more effective for muscle repair. Number 1. Edamame. These small green soybeans are complete proteins with all 9 essential amino acids. They're rich in isoflavones, which reduce inflammation in aging muscles. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who consumed soy protein daily had better muscle retention and less fatigue. 1 cup of edamame gives you around 18 grams of protein and is easy on digestion. Number 2. Lentils. Lentils are packed with protein, iron, and magnesium, nutrients that help rebuild muscle fibers. Research from Harvard found that replacing red meat with lentils or legumes can lower inflammation and improve muscle metabolism. They're easy to cook and perfect for soups, stews, or salads. Number 3. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds deliver powerful protein, omega-3s, and fiber. They keep you hydrated and help rebuild muscle tissue naturally. Athletes who added chia to their diet showed improved endurance and muscle recovery. Add a spoonful to your morning oatmeal or smoothie. It's a natural protein booster. Number 4. Quinoa. Quinoa provides almost the same amount of protein as eggs, but with extra fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants. Its amino acid balance supports lean muscle growth and digestion, especially for older adults. Quinoa is gluten-free, easy to prepare, and anti-inflammatory, making it perfect for seniors. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains almost twice the protein of regular yogurt and far less sugar. It's rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and feeds your muscles for hours. Seniors who ate Greek yogurt before bed showed better overnight muscle repair. Choose the unsweetened kind and add berries or nuts for extra nutrients. Number 6. Seaweed. In Japan, seaweed is a daily muscle protector. It's full of taurine, iodine, and amino acids that support muscle contraction and reduce stress. Japanese studies show that seniors who eat seaweed regularly have stronger legs and better walking speed. Try dried seaweed flakes in soups or as snacks. It's deeply nutritious. Number 7. Tofu. Tofu is soft, easy to digest, and loaded with high-quality protein and minerals. It's also cholesterol-free and perfect for heart and muscle health. Older adults who eat tofu regularly have greater lean muscle and less body fat. It's one of the main reasons people in Okinawa stay strong and active well into their 90s. Number 8. Natto. Natto is fermented soybeans. It smells strong, but it's one of Japan's most powerful longevity foods. It's rich in vitamin K2, probiotics, and protein that support both muscles and bones. A study from Osaka University found that seniors who ate natto regularly had a 25% lower risk of fractures and better muscle tone. It's truly a food that heals from the inside out. Now, why do these foods beat eggs for seniors? Eggs are good, but they're limited. They lack fiber, omega-3s, and plant compounds that help older bodies use protein efficiently. These 8 superfoods, on the other hand, provide complete protein, anti-inflammatory effects, and better absorption. That's why Japanese elders stay strong and flexible even in their later years. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow. For breakfast, have Greek yogurt with chia seeds. For lunch, try a quinoa and lentil salad with edamame. For dinner, enjoy tofu soup with seaweed and a spoon of natto. This simple rotation helps rebuild muscle, reduce fatigue, and keep your body strong. Japanese researchers have proven that a diet rich in plant and marine proteins is the key to longevity and strength. Older adults who followed such diets had better mobility, stronger muscles, and longer lives compared to those relying on meat or eggs. Protein isn't just food, it's the foundation of independence after 50. If you're still depending only on eggs, it's time to make a change. Nature has already given us these 8 gentle superfoods to rebuild your body, boost energy, and protect you from aging. Start today. 1 bowl of lentil soup, 1 cup of tofu stew, 1 handful of edamame at a time. Longevity isn't about eating less, it's about eating right. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Healing Culve, because every week, we share simple, science-backed secrets that help you live stronger, longer, and healthier.